Seniors and I are going to talk about postmodern therapeutic approaches, and we're going to specifically emphasize solution-focused brief therapy.
Postmodern approaches are based on social constructivism or negated understanding. It is a psychological perspective of the world view, which places views on client's sense of reality, not whether the reality is rational. Beliefs and values are conceived through social interactions such as family, culture, and society. It is constantly changing.
There is no one-way rule approach to understand the world or who we are.
Short-term therapy focuses on clients finding acceptance and solutions to problems.
The therapist is not an expert, the client is the expert concerning his or her reality or life.
Try focusing in on collaborative partnership between the client and the therapist.
Understanding narrative and deconstructing language processes are the focus of both understanding individuals and helping them construct desired change.
Therapists assume a not knowing position and empathetic, curious stance assumed by therapists, framed by questions that come from an honest, continuous therapeutic posture of not understanding too quickly.
One of the most important elements of postmodern approach is solution-focused brief therapy. Here are the key elements to that particular therapy.
In solution-focused based therapy, the focus is not on the problems, but on the solutions.
This therapy has a brief duration that consists an average of 2 to 6 sessions.
Adjectives of therapy: pragmatic, optimistic, anti-deterministic, and future-oriented.
Pathology does not exist, nor problems or challenges that have exceptions, that can be built upon to construct a new way of living, disputes medical model approach.
Some problems stem from the language a client uses in his or her social sphere, and new languages produces a new opportunity for change.
Techniques used in solution-focused brief therapy include amplification, which looks at a client's different lens. The miracle question poses a hypothetical question that if the problem did not exist, what would the client's situation look like? Therapists also use scaling, a rating system to measure progress.
The therapeutic stages are Stage 0, processing change, Stage 1, forming a collaborative relationship, Stage 2, describing the problem, Stage 3, establishing preferred goals, Stage 4, problem to solution focus, and Stage 5, reaching preferred goals.
Solution-focused, the illnesses that have a chemical imbalance, such as bipolar disorder. But with its brief duration, optimistic outlook, and future-oriented stance, I think that solution-focused brief therapy is a perfect therapy for school counseling. One thing that the solution-focused brief therapist needs to remember or to make sure that he or she emphasizes is how to effectively use the miracle question. And we have to also remember that change
is possible.